Three things. And first was, we kept the template of the first three albums because we figured if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Second, we added some new songs that we wanted to, we always feel that you need to have some new songs on the record. And number three is you never ever forget why people come to hear you and why you love this music so very much. And that's, to me, the music that was before, the old days. Those songs, they just had a lot of kauna, a lot of real beautiful meanings behind those songs. And this is definitely one of our favorites. It's a song that we're very blessed to have brought to us a while ago. Hailama! What's up, my brother? Brother Hailama Farden. This guy named all of our albums. I tell you, he's a man. I love you, bro. So this song we do for Hailama and everybody here as well. A song that we love so much, a song written by Squeeze Kamana for his young baby girl who was at Waikiki Beach, and they're out there enjoying themselves, and it was at that moment that his young baby girl ran out of the waves toward him that he realized she was no longer a little girl anymore. She was turning into a young woman, and we're all fathers of daughters, and it just breaks your heart seeing your baby girl grow up. So this song really is pertinent to us. So hope you guys enjoy this beautiful mele. Song titled Ku'upua Maiole. The song that goes like this. Number 7, Auntie Judy. The song goes like this. On the ukulele. very much, Molly. Right on.